Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is another video of altcoin chart request and we are going to look at Ontology, Telcoin and Matic in this video. So let's begin today's video. I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor and nothing I say is a financial advice, so please do your own research. I am not responsible for your profit or your loss. So the first chart we are looking today is ONT USDT, and this is an ONT USDT daily chart. And what we can see clearly is that, like all the alts, this was the ONT bottom, and it's then had a amazing wave of almost 112%. And currently it's having a pullback and a correction. If we see clearly, then this was the trend line that it has broken on the daily, and it's having a pullback or correction. So if you're looking to enter ONT, I think this pullback would be a good opportunity, unless and until ONT holds $0.75 as support, so 75 cents. You can expect ONT to trend higher eventually and be bullish. Breaking 75 cents would be bearish in my opinion. Until 75 cents is at hold as support, I can see ONT going to at least $1.7 in few weeks or months, depending we continue the bull run. So this is an important price point for ONT to hold at 75 cents. One of the most important resistance ONT will face is at $1.3. And I would love to see ONT break 1.3, which would also be good because still it is on a longer run. It is a bearish uh, trend because this is high, this is lower high, and this is another lower high. But of course, this is reversal, double bottom and clear reversal. This was a lower and this is a higher high. So on a longer trend, it would be great for ONT to break 1.3. I would have loved to see ONT break 1.3 in this move and then come back down. Nevertheless, this correction is also because of Bitcoin correction and not just ONT, because Bitcoin is correcting, so it is affecting a lot of alts. Hence, if in my opinion, until 75 cents is as support, I do not see any reason why ONT should not go and hit $1.7. We can see 75 cent was here also previous support, and even here during this big crash it was a big support. Hence again flipping 75 into support, 75 cents is bullish in my opinion. So any pullback above 75 cent is a good entry, good opportunity, and I can see ONT going at least till 1.7, and then depending on the impulse wave we can even have a new all-time high. But the 1.7 is very reasonable looking to me in a short-term play of few weeks or months. If we look at on BTC chart, then on the BTC chart, in fact, it is definitely reversed uptrending and it's still maintaining its support. It's bouncing from the support, and so that on BTC is also looking good. And if we look at the important price point for on BTC, then this black line that you see is an important support at around 2000 satoshis, 2014. So unless and until we hold it as support, it is currently facing the first resistance over here, which you see it's clearly over here, previous supports. So this is an important price point at around 2439 to 2440 satoshis. Once broken this, I think it can go as high as 3423 satoshis in its next leg. So again, potential of around 58% in the Bitcoin pair, which is very good in my opinion. So if we look at the overall, then of course this has been a heavy, it's literally downtrending against Bitcoin. You can see this. So this is a non-stop downtrend. So I personally, I do not hold on, and this is a requested chart. And as per what I see it going to at least 3448 Satoshis if we hold 2041 Satoshis as support. So that's on. The next chart that we are looking at is Matic. Matic on the daily, this is Matic USDT chart, and again Matic on the daily is currently experiencing a pullback, and its important support is at around 96 cents to $1. This is a very important support which Matic should hold for its continuation upward, and it is overall definitely looking bullish. This is a clear reversal, and I expect Matic to hit $2.5 at least in its next leg in few weeks or months once we continue this uptrend. So until 96 cents is not broken, I do not see any reason to be bearish on Matic. And of course, eventually I'm very bullish on Matic, and this is a crystal clear long-term play in my opinion. But for short term, I think this is a good pullback, and anything between 1.24 to 1.24 to $1, this range is a good range to enter in my opinion, between 1.24 to 96 cents. This is a good play for Matic because I can see it going to at least 2.5, retesting its previous all-time high. Just the way Sol is created new all-time high, ADA is almost towards its new all-time high. I see even Matic going there, and it's just a matter of time. If you look at Matic BTC chart, then again, it's a very similar chart to USDT. This is a clear breakout, and until we hold 27, in fact, after breakout, this is a first retest or pullback. So 2715 Satoshis is what Matic needs to hold. If this is hold as support, then I can see it new leg up towards at least 5606 Satoshis. So overall, Matic is bullish in my opinion and looking good. This is bottom and reversal. And as long as Bitcoin is healthy, I think this Matic will perform very well. The third chart that we are looking today is TEL, that is Telcoin. Telcoin USDT is currently at a very important price point in my opinion. It's still not broken out of its downtrend. This is a clear downtrend, and the breakout at around 0.020. So until this area is not flipped into support, this is not bullish. This can also be a double top and continue its downtrend. I would like this area to be broken into support. You can see this was a previous support a lot of time, a very strong support, and currently it is getting resisted. So I do not hold TEL, but if I had to enter, I would enter only once this is created as support in my opinion. Once we create this 2 cent area as support, I can see TEL in its new leg up going to at least 7 cents, 7.5 cents. Again, guys, these are all short-term plays for few weeks or few months is what I see. And so this, if you like the project and if you believe this is a really good project fundamentally, then yes, I think these are good regions to buy, because this is where you can accumulate, and once the breakout happens, you can enjoy the entire pump. So this is a good looking region. But if you're looking to trade, then I would suggest you, again, this is purely my opinion, you are the ultimate decision maker, but I think this area which was previous support is currently acting as resistance. Breaking this area would create a good impulse wave in my opinion. Hence, breaking this area, this breakout and retest could be a good entry to buy, or the breakout itself, because this will again create a new impulse wave in my opinion. If you look at TEL BTC, again, this is still in the downtrend and not broken out at all. For me, important price point, again, you see a lot of support here and now it's acting as resistance, is at around 5721 Satoshis. And it's currently way below that. I would like for it to see this create as support. If we can create this as support, then I can see TEL pumping against Bitcoin. Currently, I think it's still in a downtrend and in a danger zone. So for me, I would personally be interested in somewhere for trades. I would personally be interested in coins that are flip bullish on daily, and then I can trade. I would like to trade after the breakout. But again, if you want to accumulate TEL, if you like the project, then these are the times where you can definitely build positions, because once it breaks out, it will pump hard, in my opinion, just like you see over here. This was a good pump after this long consolidation. So this similarly, you have to, if you are like the project, then these are times where you can, buy some and then add your position once it breaks out. I personally do not trade TEL, so I don't know about it, and I have no trading experience looking at for TEL coin. But looking at the chart, this was a breakout, I guess, after a long accumulation. I do not know much about TEL coin, but this is definitely not a time to buy if you're looking for short-term trades. I think you should wait for it to flip into support this region. So that's it. That is my opinion about TEL, and this is what I can see on the charts. So thank you very much. I hope you guys like the video, and please subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. Take care, guys. Bye bye.